Hello, I just want to address, I've had some questions on how to use these seals on the Tupperware, the sipper seals. And these are the dripless seals, so they have like a smaller opening, so it's not going to sit there and just run out. Also, a neat feature is here, it has a flat section, so if they drop that on the floor, it rolls around to that flat. So it keeps the spout up above, so it's not gonna sit there and just run out, which is a great feature of these Tupperware tumblers. But I wanna show you real quick how I put these on. And I also wanna note, if you have the snack cups, these will fit on those as well. So if you need like a really small portion for those just starting out with the sippy cup, this is kind of nice. And then also, if you have any of our straight side tumblers, any of the little character tumblers, they will also fit the tops of those. So they're very versatile. I'm gonna bring you up closer. And whenever you first get them, of course, they're gonna fit a little bit snugger and they'll still stay airtight, but they just, they need to get relaxed from using. But a lot of times what I do is I will just press in the middle and it kind of completes the seal around. Or you can work around with your thumbs like that. But sometimes I find whenever I first get the new seals is to just press in on the top and it'll kind of lock over. And I hope that helps. These are our Tupperware bell tumblers with the sipper seal.